So in this video, we want to talk about QuantumScape, and they just recently passed a key milestone regarding their EV battery technology, but price action was not impressed with the news. Now, before we get into the charts, let's get into the news. So QuantumScape is trying to revolutionize EV battery technology, and it made an announcement this past week that investors took notice. The company said the equipment needed to produce its solid-state lithium metal batteries has been installed and released for initial processing of the solid-state separator component. QuantumScape has a two-stage plan to commercialize its solid-state EV battery. The first stage, Raptor process, has already been used to produce low-volume prototypes, and sample battery cells from its Raptor manufacturing process has been sent to potential automotive customers for testing. The next Cobra stage of production is set to begin next year, and releasing the heat treating equipment needed for solid separator processing this month was QuantumScape's final goal for 2024. Now the question is QuantumScape a buy? Well, investors should know that the price action, the company, and the technology is still at risk until it is able to commercialize its technology. Now, when we get to the charts, let me just scroll out to the monthly chart, and you can see how, as price was moving down, price attempted to move higher only to be met with sellers pushing price lower. And for the better half of 18 months, price has been below this 13 simple monthly moving average, which is also bearish. Now, if you go to the weekly chart, back in June and July of this year, price did form a weekly buy level when we had price decline, base, and then rally higher. However, price has now did a round trip, finding the price action back in this weekly buy zone. And you can see back in November, price tried to rally, again, only to be met with sellers pushing price back down into this zone. Now we go down to the daily chart. Here's that news on that milestone. Price gapped higher only to end the day lower. Price is fighting with this resistance yellow line, which is the 200-day moving average. You also have the 100-day moving average in white. And so this is very, very bearish price action. And the chart suggests for the conservative investors, it's not time to get long. If you are aggressive, the charts are suggesting you are in an accumulation area relative to the 60s, where you had distribution. But the charts are suggesting look for another opportunity to put your hard-earned working capital to work. Be sure I will return once the chart suggests it is an opportunity to go long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.